I want you to take note of these 5 rules and you'll do absolutely amazing in your fitness journey. Number 5, when you're not feeling motivated, just show up. Forget about the intensity. Don't try to break your last PR. Just show up. Do what you can. That's what discipline is. Number 4, when you are feeling motivated, step it up a notch. I'm not saying you need to go crazy or do anything drastic, but use that fuel and light that fire inside you. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Those are the days we're all looking for, right? So take advantage of it. But remember, you're still showing up when you're not motivated. Number 3, when you're tired, rest. It's as simple as that. Rest days are crucial. You actually need to schedule them in your workout plan. But if you're feeling really tired, it is a sign that you need to rest. Number 2, if you're feeling pain, recover. Now, resting is also part of recovery, but you should also work at actively recovering. Sometimes doing absolutely nothing when you're feeling pain is worse, so definitely talk to your doctor, your physician, and find out ways you can recover from it. And number 1, it's the most important, no matter what, never, ever, ever quit. Your journey is gonna have ups, it's gonna have downs, you're gonna be motivated, you're not gonna be motivated, you're gonna need to rest, you're gonna need to recover, but whatever you do, just don't drop everything and quit. Keep going, I'm rooting for you, you totally got this.